Do we really know black holes? Let's blow our minds for a moment. Black holes, one of the biggest mysteries of the universe. Do we truly understand them, or are scientists still in the dark? One times even light can't escape. The scariest thing about black holes is that nothing can escape once it crosses the event horizon. Not even light. Think about it. If even the speed of light isn't enough, what happens to time inside a black hole? What do you think would happen if someone fell in? They warp time. If you get too close to a black hole, time slows down for you. To an observer watching from a distance, you might seem frozen in place for years. Does that mean black holes could allow time travel? 3. There's a giant black hole at the center of the Milky Way. It's called Sagittarius A, and it has the mass of 4 million suns. But wait, if there's a supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy, why aren't we getting sucked in? 4. Are black holes the ghosts of dead stars? Most black holes form when massive stars explode in a supernova. So in a way, they're like cosmic ghosts. But here's the real question. If stellar black holes come from dead stars, where do supermassive black holes come from? Have they been around since the beginning of time? 5. Can they evaporate? According to Stephen Hawking's theory, black holes slowly lose energy and disappear over time. But this process takes billions of years. What if microscopic black holes exist and vanish much faster? Could tiny black holes be around us without us even noticing? There are many theories about black holes, but one thing is certain. We still know so little about them. Do you think black holes are just cosmic monsters, or could they be gateways to parallel universes? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring the mysteries of space, don't forget to subscribe for more.